morning everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna go to Tre Cime Di Lavaredo and it's going to be the highlight of the Dolomites because everybody knows Tre Cime when they come to the Dolomites. Yesterday we did a really good hike. If you missed that video, remember to click on the links up here. Today will be the destination we've been waiting for and we're very excited. Are you excited, guys?
Yep.
So yeah, let's not talk anymore. Let's go! Guys, driving here is a bit dangerous during winter. Like right now, I have very little grip on the road. Just now when I was accelerating out of the junction, the tires spun like crazy. And so that's something to be aware of, and you need to make sure you have snow chains. We still haven't put on snow chains, but later maybe if the road gets worse than this, now it's really pretty bad, probably we will consider putting the snow chains on, so yeah. Hi guys, so we're here and right now this is the start of the snowmobile track. We're gonna take the snowmobile to cut 2 hours of hiking. So yeah, the road looks like that. There are still a lot of people that are hiking and that's the snowmobile that we're gonna be on. So yeah, excited. It should be around 25 euro a person, it seems. Not sure, let's check.
25 euro for one person, up and down, or if you want
Anytime we can go down anytime.
Look at that, guys. Oh my. Alright, let's go. Grazie! It is quite expensive, 25 euros for the snowmobile. It's about 15-minute ride. But definitely saving 2 hours is worth the 25 euros because then you have more options, like whether you want to hike the whole circuit, the loop around the Tre Cime. Because right now we only see one tower. If we hike around the side, we can see all 3 towers. Sorry about the wind, by the way, I didn't have a wind muffler. Yeah, excited! It's beautiful! Ta-da!
This mountain here is something Misurina, so I think Mount Misurina, which has the lake that is totally frozen, and then this one is Cristallo, I think, if I'm not mistaken, something with crystal or something like that, and that one I forgot. But the whole thing is, oh my gosh, it's basically Dolomites.
Dolomites, ta-da! It is very windy and very cold here, so sorry about the audio. But we're gonna start the hike. This is the trail. Hopefully we can do the full loop because we brought crampons as well. This is the crampon. We rented this for about 5 euros a pair. Quite good deal. You can rent it at the Cortina town. So we're ready. We have crampons. We won't fall. Let's go.
But I asked the snowmobile guy and he said we cannot do the circuit.
So yeah, either way, we're gonna go as far as we can and try our luck in a way. So let's go! Guys, look at that. Some people are climbing to the top. Is that crazy or what? That's amazing. I didn't even know you can do that. So if you plan to come here for this Tre Cime Di Lavaredo, I feel that you should stay in Cortina, the town, because it's the nicest town to stay in. But staying in Cortina is quite expensive based on the hotels we found so far. That's why we decided to stay in Pozzale instead. Pozzale is very cheap, hardly any tourists. If you want to get off the beaten track, I think staying in Pozzale is a good idea as well. You just need to have a car because the public transport can get a bit sketchy at times. So far the trail is still good. We've been very fortunate when it comes to winter weather right now. Supposedly winter is one of the worst times to go to Tre Cime Di Lavaredo. We decided to take the chance. Thankfully we did, because the weather has been really good to us so far. And if it was in summer, the mountains will probably not be fully covered in snow like it is right now. So the view may not be as nice as right now. So yeah, quite fortunate. Of course winter has its own cons as well, because winter you don't have that much daylight. But one big pro is that in the winter there's not as much tourists over here than it is in the summer. Apparently in the summer this could be like a traffic queue. And now we're at the halfway point already to the refugio that can see the Tre Cime. And this is the chapel here. This marks the halfway point. It's pretty fast actually. You see that's the refugio that we stopped by initially. And it's just a short walk, to be honest.
Really easy.
It's really easy because there's not much elevation gain. Yeah. Guys, so we're at Lavaredo, the Refugio Lavaredo. So that's the spot where you can see the three towers already. See? 1, 2, 3. Tre Cime. We decided to continue up to that point over there. Not sure if you can see, because we want to see the three towers. Although we've already seen the three towers over here, beautiful, we want to see it from the other side. Wondering whether it will be nicer over there. Yeah, curiosity sometimes kills the cat, but today we hope it doesn't. The route is a bit treacherous though. Look at that. It's really good to have a pair of gaiters if you're here, because then you can just step anywhere. Right now I don't have gaiters on, so I will probably feel very cold after this, because most of the snow has already entered my shoes, despite my shoes being waterproof. Oh yeah, waterproof shoes is a must if you're hiking here in winter. Trust me when I say this is very tiring, exhausting because of this deep snow. If you never hiked in deep snow before, please overestimate the time you will take. Because every step takes a lot of effort. Whew. Here, this is Forcella Lavaredo, 2,454 meters above sea level. It's beautiful. Words cannot describe. So that's Tre Cime. That's the three towers. We are so fortunate today. The weather was supposed to be bad all winter, but it's blue sky, hardly any clouds. Wow, we couldn't ask for more, definitely. It's a tough hike in winter because of the snow, but in the summer it will be quite easy. I believe so. Took us about 2 hours plus to get here to this point.
With a lot of stops.
Yeah, we have a lot of photo stops. With all good things need to come to an end. Right now we're going down already because we are already late. We are the last group to arrive here, and the last sledge to go down Tre Cime is at 4 PM. It's already 2 PM. Hopefully we can still get back on time. And yeah, so this is the last glimpse. Goodbye Tre Cime, you've been good. Yeah, and remember that once you get to the top, that is still not the end. You're only halfway there. You only finish the route when you're back down safely. This was fun. So next will be Sledge time! Guys, check out how deep my legs went in. Look at that. My leg, I mean, single. Wow! Yeah. So we're back, guys. Oh my god, my hair. What the hell is that? The crampons that we got is practically useless. When the snow is deep, like right now, I think snowshoes would be a better option. So yeah, but it's good to be prepared. So right now we're gonna eat some snacks, maybe a bowl of soup or something. Because we're really hungry, we haven't had lunch at all. And then after that, we're gonna use the sledge to go down. Woohoo! So excited for that! So let's go! Alright, tummy's full. It's time for sledge! So we made it down from the sledge. The sledge is a bit hard to control, but once you get a hang of it, it's quite fun. And those guys there, they gave us a lift after we ended the sledge. Otherwise I would have walked for another probably a kilometer. So yeah, greatly appreciated. So yeah, with that act of kindness, I guess it's time to end the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life. Don't forget us.